Okay, for the next couple of slides, we're going to practice reviewing expanded notation. So that's taking the digit in the place value and multiplying it by the value of that place value. So here you have a 4 times 10,000 plus 6 times 100 plus, or 1,000, I'm sorry, 6 times 1,000 plus 3 times 100 plus 2 times 10 plus 5 times 1. So I'm going to plug this number into my place value chart, but I also, I'm going to use my place value discs. So 5 times 1 would just be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 ones. So this is the place value, and this is how many of that are in the place value. So how many ones are in this number? There are 5 ones in this number. Tens, how many tens are in this number? There will be 2 tens in this number. How many hundreds are in this number? There will be 3 hundreds. How many thousands are in this number? 6 thousands. And how many 10,000s are in this number? There are 4 10,000s. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's what this number looks like represented in standard form and in with your place value discs. I don't have a number in my 100,000s, and I can just leave that blank. You do not need to put anything there. But if I was missing a thousands, I would need to fill that in with a 0. If I was missing a ones, I would need to fill that in with a 0. So any number that comes after your highest place value, or any missing place value, like if it doesn't have a value in there, after your highest place value, you have to fill that in with a 0. You're going to practice doing this on the next slide.